In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table into a rich text module in HubSpot. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their HubSpot skills, especially if you're managing content on your website. So let's get started on this quick and easy process. First of all, you need to make your way to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a login button right at the top corner of the page. Give that a click. Here, you'll need to enter your login credentials, so make sure you have them ready before proceeding. This will give you access to the HubSpot dashboard, the central hub for all your marketing, sales, and service tools. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. This might seem like a repetitive step, but it's crucial to ensure you're in the right place to access all your content management resources. On the homepage, there's a variety of options available, but for now we will focus on the content section. Go ahead and click on the Content tab. This is where you can manage all your website content. Now that you're under the Content tab, you should see an option labeled Website Pages. Click on this to view all pages on your site. You'll need to choose which specific page you want to edit or add a table to. Take a moment to scroll through your list of pages and select the one you wish to work on today. Once you've opened your desired page, you'll notice a button labeled Add. You'll want to click on this to insert new content. This step takes you into the editing mode where you can start customizing your page. As you enter the editing section, look for rich text. This will be a crucial part of your toolbox as it allows you to add versatile content elements to your web page. Go ahead and click on rich text. This is where you'll eventually insert your table. While in the rich text module, you must then click on insert. This action will open up a menu of items that can be embedded right into your content. Scrolling through the options can give you an idea of the various elements you can insert, but for today's task we're focused on that table. Finally, locate the Insert Table option within the drop-down menu. Clicking on this will allow you to customize and create a table tailored to your content needs. Once you've adjusted the table to suit your preferences, simply save the changes and your table will now be part of the rich text module on your chosen web page. And there you have it, your new table is live and ready to go. With these simple steps, you've successfully enhanced your content in HubSpot. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial and be sure to check back for more HubSpot tips and tricks.